Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play GM mode in WWE 2K easily. To start, pick your favorite general manager and a brand, like Raw or SmackDown. Then, select your preferred difficulty and the length of your season. The game offers various options to suit your playstyle. Finally, draft a diverse roster of superstars, ensuring a good mix of high-rated talent and up-and-comers. This foundational step sets you up for a successful and enjoyable experience. Booking matches effectively is key to high ratings. Focus on creating compelling rivalries between your top superstars. Use power cards strategically to enhance match quality or gain an advantage over rival general managers. Remember to vary your match types, from one-on-one contests to tag team battles, keeping your audience entertained. A well-booked card with strong storylines will consistently draw in more fans and boost your show's overall appeal. Managing your roster efficiently is crucial for long-term success. Always monitor your superstars' stamina levels. Overworking them leads to injuries and decreased performance. Rotate your talent, giving everyone opportunities to shine and maintain their morale. Actively develop rivalries by having superstars interact in promos and matches. Strong rivalries not only boost individual match ratings, but also create compelling narratives that keep your audience invested week after week. To win the general manager race, consistently strive for the highest show ratings and fan satisfaction. Pay close attention to the commissioner's goals each week, as completing them provides valuable rewards and boosts your standing. Don't hesitate to use trades or sign free agents to address any weaknesses in your roster or to counter your rival general manager's moves. With careful planning and strategic decisions, you will dominate the competition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.